Well, Peter here in the shop. This is an interesting project. This was well, it used to be a Columbia phonograph from around, I say before 1920, between 1915 and 1920. But some years ago, somebody removed all the innards out of it. The record player is gone. So I got this. I actually got this in pieces. The top had come off and was broken. And actually, I haven't put the door back on. I'm currently repairing the door also. But I did something cool with it, and we'll show you what it is. So open up the top. And there we are. Well, this is a home brew vacuum tube amplifier, audio amplifier. And of course there's it says Columbia Grafanola. So we'll call this the Columbia Grafanola 6v6 amplifier. Or maybe the N1PS 6v6 amplifier. So, and that's what it is. It's a mono amp. It's composed of the two 6v6s. That's a 6L6 drive. This is the classic Dynaco 6v6 amplifier. I also added this preamplifier here also. So I haven't got the labels in yet. The labels, I ran my label maker. Ran out of labels. So the clear, I would want to put clear black over clear labels on it. So anyway, they're not in yet. So but anyway, it's all set, and I'm very pleased with it. It came out really nice. So I more or less married this old Dynaco 6v6 amplifier circuit to the Grafanola. So let's see what it sounds like, and put something on here. This is the Marriage of Figaro. Why not go with that, huh? Whoops, I forgot to plug it in. Turn the audio down. Oh, gotta open up the speakers. Sorry about the jiggling and stuff. Turn up the volume. Got plenty of audio. This over here, turn my other hand. So this is the tone control here. A little more bass. A little more treble. So pretty pleased with it. It really came out really well. So this is actually going to go up for sale for somebody. To make a nice amplifier. It will work with Bluetooth, it'll work with a musical instrument, and it'll work with a microphone. So a guitar, a keyboard, Bluetooth, whatever. Right now I'm just running the computer audio into it. So there you go. That's a story from here. A fun little project, and I think somebody would really like this. It's a classic Dynaco circuit, and repurposed into this more than century-old cabinet. So there you go.